morning students, welcome to online classes. Today we start common nomenclature of amine. We know that parts of amine is three: primary amine, secondary amine, and tertiary amine. Primary amine is NH2. So in primary amine, NH2 group attached with hydrocarbon chain. Secondary amine is NHR. So in secondary amine, functional group NH attached with two hydrocarbon chain, and in tertiary amine, functional group N attached with three hydrocarbon chain. In primary amine, functional group is NH2 and NH2 is known as amino. Amino group direct attached with one hydrocarbon chain. Nitrogen directly attached with one hydrocarbon chain. So name of this amine is primary amine. Functional group of secondary amine is NH, and NH group is known as amino. And amino group is directly attached with two hydrocarbon chain. So name of this amine is secondary amine. Nitrogen attached with two hydrocarbon chain. And functional group of tertiary amine is N, and N is known as tertiary nitrogen. And in this amine, nitrogen directly attached with three hydrocarbon chain. So name of this amine is tertiary amine. So RNH2 is primary amine, RNHR is secondary amine, and RNRR is tertiary amine. सबसे पहले हम स्टार्ट करेंगे RNH2 प्राइमरी एमीन. Common name of primary amine. In primary amine, hydrogen of alkane substituted by NH2 group, and we get primary amine RNH2. RNH2 is primary amine because in this compound nitrogen atom directly attached with one hydrocarbon chain, and functional group of primary amine is NH2, and NH2 is called amino. NH NH2 is amino group. So functional group of primary amine is NH2, amino group. For common nomenclature, R is hydrocarbon chain show with alkyl. अपन ने बताया था कि जो कॉमन नोमेनक्लेचर में जो हाइड्रोकार्बन चेन है उसको नॉर्मली एज ए एल्किल लिखा जाता है. सो R is hydrocarbon chain. So for R use alkyl, and for NH2 use amine. So common name of primary amine is alkyl amine. For example, first primary amine is CH3 NH2, 4CH3 methyl, and 4NH2 amine. So common name of this primary amine is methyl amine. Next is C2H5 NH2, 4C2H5 ethyl, and 4NH2 amine. So name of C2H5 NH2 is ethyl amine. Next is CH3 CH2 CH2 NH2. Hydrocarbon chain is CH3 CH2 CH2. This hydrocarbon chain, direct hydrocarbon chain, normal. So for direct condition, normal, and number of carbon in hydrocarbon chain 1 2 3 as a alkyl, propyl, and 4NH2 amine, and propyl amine. Next is CH3 CH3 NH2. This condition is iso. CH3 CH3 is iso condition. For iso condition, iso, number of carbon 3, propyl, and 4NH2 amine. So common name of this primary amine is isopropyl amine. Next example is CH3 CH2 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 NH2. In this amine, hydrocarbon chain direct, and number of carbon 4 direct chain normal, 4 carbon as a alkyl butyl, and 4NH2 amine. So common name of this amine is N-butyl amine. Next is CH3 CH NH2 CH2 CH3. In this amine, NH2 group attached with a 2-degree carbon, because this carbon is directly attached with another 2 carbon. So this carbon is 2 degree. NH2 attached with a 2 degree carbon. For this condition, use secondary. Number of carbon in hydrocarbon chain 4, butyl as a alkyl butyl, and 4NH2 amine. So common name of this amine is secondary butyl amine. Next condition is CH3 CH3 CH2 NH2. In this amine, iso condition is present. This condition is iso. For this condition, use iso, and number of carbon in hydrocarbon chain 4. 1 2 3 4. So as a alkyl use butyl and 4NH2 amine. So common name of this amine is isobutyl amine. Next is CS3C, CS3, CS3, NH2. In this primary amine, NH2 group attached with 3 degree carbon, because this carbon is directly attached with another 3 carbon. So this carbon is 3 degree. For 3 degree carbon use tertiary. Number of carbon in hydrocarbon chain 1 2 3 4. As a alkyl use butyl and 4NH2 amine. So common name of this amine is tertiary butyl amine. Next is for direct hydrocarbon chain use normal. Number of carbon in hydrocarbon chain 5. As a alkyl pentyl and 4NH2 amine. So common name of this primary amine is normal pentyl amine. Next condition is CS3, CHNH2, CH2, CH2, CH3. In this primary amine, NH2 group attached with a 2 degree carbon, because this carbon attached with directly another 2 carbon. For this condition use secondary. NH2 attached with secondary carbon. For this secondary. For 5 carbon hydrocarbon chain use as a alkyl pentyl and 4NH2 amine. So common name of this amine is secondary pentyl amine. Next CS3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH2, NH2. In this primary amine, iso condition present. CS3, CH, CH3 is iso. For this condition, use iso. Number of carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For 5 carbon, use pentyl and 4NH2 amine. So common name of this primary amine is isopentyl amine. Next is CS3C, CS3, CH3, CH2, NH2. This condition is neo condition, and in this amine NH2 attached with the neo group. For this use neo. Number of carbon 5. As a alkyl pentyl, neo pentyl 4NH2 amine. So common name of this primary amine is neo pentyl amine. We are completed common name of primary amine. Now we start common name of secondary amine. In secondary amine, functional group is NH and functional group NH is imino. And in secondary amine, NH functional group imino directly attached with a 2 hydrocarbon chain. So this is known as secondary amine. And for common nomenclature of secondary amine, if both hydrocarbon chain are same, then common name of secondary amine is dialkyl amine. यदि सेकेंडरी एमीन में दोनों तरफ की हाइड्रोकार्बन चेन क्या हो, हाइड्रोकार्बन चेन को अपन कॉमन नोमेनक्लेचर में एज ए एल्किल ग्रुप लिखते हैं एंड बोथ हाइड्रोकार्बन चेन आर सेम, देन both hydrocarbon chain for two hydrocarbon chain di and for alkyl dialkyl and for amine लास्ट में लिख देंगे amine. So common name of symmetric secondary amine, if both hydrocarbon chain are same, then condition is symmetric. In symmetric condition, common name of secondary amine is dialkyl amine. First example, CS3 NHCS3, for 2CS3 dimethyl and for NH amine, dimethyl amine, C2H5 NH C2H5, ethyl for 2 ethyl diethyl and for NH amine, dimethyl amine, C3H7 NH C3H7, C3H7 is propyl for 2 propyl dipropyl and for NH amine, dipropyl amine, C6H5 NH C6H5, for C6H5 use phenyl, for 2 phenyl diphenyl and for NH amine, diphenyl amine. If both hydrocarbon chain are same in secondary amine, condition is symmetric. And examples of symmetric secondary amine is dimethylamine, diethylamine, dipropylamine and diphenylamine. Now we are doing asymmetric condition in secondary amine. In asymmetric condition, both hydrocarbon chain are different in secondary amine. First hydrocarbon chain R and second hydrocarbon chain is R dash. So both hydrocarbon chain are different. For this, common name of secondary amine alkyl amine. यहाँ दोनों हाइड्रोकार्बन चेन डिफरेंट है, तो अपन इन दोनों हाइड्रोकार्बन चेन को एज ए एल्किल सेपरेटली लिखेंगे, अलग अलग लिखेंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू अल्फाबेट रूल. तो जो ग्रुप अल्फाबेट में पहले आता है उसको पहले लिख देंगे और जो अल्फाबेट में बाद में आता है उसको बाद में लिख देंगे. यानी दोनों एल्किल ग्रुप को अल्फाबेट रूल के अकॉर्डिंग सेपरेटली लिखेंगे. तो सेकेंडरी एमीन का नेम हो जाएगा एल्किल एल्किल एमीन। फॉर एग्जांपल CH3 NH2CH5, CH4 CH3 methyl, and methyl started with M, 4C2H5, ethyl, and ethyl started with E. According to alphabet rule, ethyl पहले आएगा, फिर मिथाइल. So common name of this secondary amine is ethyl methyl amine. Next is CH3 NH3H7, CH3 methyl, 4-methyl M, C3H7H propyl, 4-propyl P. M alphabet में पहले आएगा. So common name of this secondary amine is methyl propyl amine. In this amine, propyl is in normal condition. आप प्रोपाइल को यहाँ पे या तो ऐसे शो कर सकते हो C3H7, या फिर ऐसे भी शो कर सकते हो CH2 CH2 CH3. यानी यहाँ पे जो प्रोपाइल है वो नॉर्मल कंडीशन में है. ये देखिए 3 कार्बन की डायरेक्ट हाइड्रोकार्बन चेन है, तो ये नॉर्मल कंडीशन हो गई. नेक्स्ट इज CH3 NH. यहाँ पे प्रोपाइल है, उसको अपन ने शो किया है एज ए आइसो कंडीशन. दिस इज मिथाइल स्टार्टेड विद M, and this is isopropyl, and we know that iso, tertiary and neo all conditions are included in alphabet rule. तो iso को अल्फाबेट में इंक्लूड करेंगे तो मेथिल ग्रुप स्टार्ट होता है M से, एंड आइसोप्रोपिल I से. आइसोप्रोपिल पहले आएगा. सो कॉमन नेम ऑफ दिस सेकेंडरी एमीन इज आइसोप्रोपाइल methyl amine. Next is C2H5 NH CH2 CH2 CH3. First group is ethyl started with E. Second group is propyl started with P. E alphabet में पहले आएगा. So common name of this secondary amine is ethyl propyl amine. Next is C2H5 NH C CH3 CH3 CH3. This group is ethyl started with E, and this group is tertiary butyl. Nitrogen attached with a 3 carbon because this carbon directly attached with another 3 carbon. So for 3 carbon tertiary, and number of carbon for butyl. So this group is tertiary butyl. So tertiary butyl started with T. So in this condition ethyl group है वो अल्फाबेट में पहले आ रहा है, तो ethyl tertiary butyl and for amine. So common name of this secondary amine is ethyl tertiary butyl amine. Now we start common name of tertiary amine. Common name of tertiary amine. in tertiary amine functional group is N tertiary nitrogen and called tertiary nitrogen. So functional group of tertiary amine is tertiary nitrogen and in tertiary amine nitrogen directly attached with 3 hydrocarbon chain. So this amine is tertiary amine. If all hydrocarbon chains are same, so condition is called symmetric. और इस कंडीशन में टर्सरी एमीन का कॉमन नेम फॉर 3 सेम हाइड्रोकार्बन चेन ट्राई फॉर 3 ट्राई एंड 4 हाइड्रोकार्बन चेन एल्किल एंड लास्ट में लिख देंगे एमीन. सो कॉमन नेम ऑफ सिमेट्रिक टर्सरी एमीन इज ट्राई एल्किल एमीन. CH3 and CH3 CH3. For this tertiary amine 3CH3 tri methyl and 4 amine trimethyl amine. Next is C2H5 and C2H5. In this tertiary amine, all groups are ethyl for 3 ethyl, triethyl and 4 amine. So common name of this tertiary amine is triethyl amine. If hydrocarbon chains are different in tertiary amine, condition is called asymmetric, and for this condition first hydrocarbon chain is R, second hydrocarbon chain is R dash, and third hydrocarbon chain is R double dash. तो यहाँ पे तीनों हाइड्रोकार्बन चेन क्या है, डिफरेंट है, एसिमेट्रिक कंडीशन हो गई. तो इनको अल्फाबेट रूल के अकॉर्डिंग तीनों को सेपरेटली लिखेंगे, एल्किल 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 और लास्ट में एमीन. For this example, CH3 and C2H5, C3H7. First group is ethyl started with E, second group is methyl started with M, and third group is C3H7 started with P. तो सबसे पहले ethyl आ जाएगा, फिर methyl and last में propyl. So common name of this tertiary amine is according to alphabet rule ethyl, methyl, propyl, amine. If in tertiary amine 2 hydrocarbon chain are same and third is different, for example 2 CH3 groups same and third C2H5 different. For 2 CH3 dimethyl and for C2H5 ethyl. ट्राई tetra. These groups are denote number of groups. So these words not included in alphabet rule. Di, tri, tetra. ये ग्रुप्स के नंबर को शो करते हैं, इसलिए इन वर्ड्स को अपन अल्फाबेट रूल में इंक्लूड नहीं करेंगे. सो फॉर डाइमिथाइल स्टार्टेड विद M and ethyl started with E. So common name of this tertiary amine is ethyl dimethyl amine. Di, tri, tetra. All groups are not included in alphabet rule. So common name of this tertiary amine is ethyl dimethyl amine. Thank you.